The luxury van market is evolving faster than ever, and GMC is taking things to an entirely new level with the stunning 2020 GMC Savana ULTRA 66 luxury van. Built to combine executive class comfort, rugged capability, and an unmistakable road presence, this extraordinary vehicle is unlike anything else on the market today. Whether you're a business executive, an adventure enthusiast, or simply someone who wants the ultimate premium transportation experience, the new Savana ULTRA 66 is designed to impress from every angle. At first glance, it's impossible to ignore the commanding appearance of this luxury machine. The extended 6x6 configuration immediately sets it apart from traditional vans, creating a bold and aggressive stance that dominates the road. The front fascia features GMC's signature grille design, enhanced with premium chrome accents, advanced LED matrix headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives the van a powerful presence. The elongated body not only contributes to its unique look, but also provides additional interior space for passengers and cargo. Moving along the sides, large premium alloy wheels, muscular fender flares, and sleek aerodynamic lines add sophistication to the rugged design. The rear section is equally impressive, featuring LED taillights, a redesigned tailgate, and exclusive ULTRA badging that highlights its premium status. Every detail has been carefully crafted to blend luxury with utility, creating a vehicle that looks equally at home in a luxury resort parking lot or on a remote mountain road. Step inside, and the Savana ULTRA 66 reveals its true purpose. The cabin is designed to deliver first-class comfort for every passenger. Premium leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere that rivals luxury SUVs and executive limousines. The spacious interior offers multiple seating configurations, including executive captain's chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Technology plays a major role in the experience. A massive touchscreen infotainment system serves as the command center, offering wireless smartphone connectivity, navigation, entertainment controls, and vehicle settings. Rear passengers enjoy individual entertainment screens, premium audio systems, and multiple charging ports. High-speed Wi-Fi connectivity ensures everyone stays connected while traveling. Noise-canceling technology and advanced sound insulation help create an exceptionally quiet cabin, making long journeys more relaxing than ever before. Under the hood, the 2027 GMC Savana ULTRA 66 is expected to offer a powerful engine lineup designed to move this luxury van with confidence. Industry expectations point toward a high-output turbocharged V8 paired with a sophisticated automatic transmission. The advanced six-wheel drive system delivers outstanding traction and stability across various terrains, whether navigating city streets, highways, snow-covered roads, or off-road trails. The upgraded suspension system is engineered to provide a smooth and comfortable ride despite the vehicle's size. Adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road conditions, ensuring passengers enjoy a refined driving experience. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this large luxury van surprisingly easy. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 GMC Savana ULTRA 66 luxury van is expected to occupy the premium end of the market. While official figures have not yet been confirmed, industry estimates suggest a starting price somewhere around $120,000, with fully loaded executive and custom luxury configurations potentially exceeding $190,000. While that may seem expensive, buyers are receiving a unique combination of luxury, capability, exclusivity, and versatility that few vehicles can match. The 2027 GMC Savana ULTRA 666 luxury van represents a bold vision of what premium transportation can be. With its striking design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, powerful performance, and unmatched presence, it stands ready to redefine expectations for luxury vans. If you're looking for one of the most impressive and capable luxury vehicles of the future, this GMC deserves a spot at the very top of your list.